I hear the crackling, but it's not starting. Get me a chair though.
Oh no, it's all dead.
What's all dead?
The fire.
Because you got to get more twigs.
Gotta be good.
Ow, shit.
Please. Some biology. Presentation. Come on, just do this side. I actually don't want.
It's hard to bargain with Andrew. He's a solid. You like to do that, and you'd be like, all right. Him, he's a hard bargain.
Well, you never even asked him.
So if I go get a knife, a butter knife.
Not a butter knife, because I'm gonna be using the fucking knife too.
If you give me a butter knife, I'll half cut your stick.
Half cut it. That means go find the twig. Just go find a knife.
But you gotta find the stick. Good. Go for it. You gotta go find a sharp knife, which I can cut. He took the biggest deuce ever right there, and I was gonna step in it. I was gonna eat it, dude.
I'm gonna eat
He's still
it.
pooping.
I don't want him to poop on
Hey,
him.
Yush. Hey, do you love me, Yuji? Do you love me? Do you love me tender? Love me.
I don't know.
What?
I don't know. What was the song? Love me tender.
I have no idea what she's talking about right now.
Elvis Presley
tender.
song.
He's talking back here.
I never listened to Elvis Presley. So.
Wow, you listen to everything. I said you
Not
listen to
Elvis.
that
Love
one.
Me Tender?
Yeah.
I know it's a song, but I don't know what the song is.
Ooh, no, it's so. Are you happy now?
No, he's not over here with us.
Well, he's not whining, so.
Yeah.
Plus.
Alright. Never melt that chair.
Nah. It's good. It's fire rated. It's at least 100 degrees.
Talk about me? No.
There we go. Take it off. Hold on.
Stay away from the shit.
Yeah, no lie there. You will be showering and burning your clothes.
I think. Yeah. I think they took my damn room. Nope, didn't.
Instant death. No, it's not instant.
Instant death? No, I like him to wriggle around and feel every bit of it.
Good thing I didn't drop his phone when I started screaming.
God.
No, I'm not getting it.
Tanya won't touch him. Jaden.
I don't know what she does.
Catch them before they run away.
How old are you, Tanya?
I'm not touching it. No matter how old I am. Something over there, over there.
Well, grab them.
No,
If you see them, grab them.
Oh, she got one!
She got one! Woo! Yay.
Don't shake the camera. Are you two?
Yeah. Let me see it.
I'm gonna just make it worse. Tanya with her first fish.
It's gonna die.
Grab it. When you grab it, watch. Whenever you grab a fish, you gotta grab it from up here. So that way these fins don't cut you and you push them down. Okay?
But I don't wanna.
Here, Jaden, or Jared, here. That's good, that's good. So now, you just grab this hook. He's gonna try to do it. You grab this hook, you pull it out, then you can throw it back in the water. Okay?
She hates slimy things, I think.
Dang.
Is it a rainbow fish?
rainbow fish.
One is,
Did you really just call that rainbow fish?
and the sunglasses looks like a rainbow fish.
It's a leopard.
Kiss the flippers. Oh, that is so big. But that was
What was that?
what?
Is that the line?
I think they got. I think that one's
That's another
been
one.
in there, like deep in there. I wouldn't do it. You'd probably kill them.
Oh wow.
I think that's why that one's still in there.
Dang.
Bobber. This one.
Here. Hold. Bye.
Got him.
Oh!
Watch your finger,
Catfish. Let me.
No.
Someone sting, buddy.
Don't sting.
Kyle.
Fuck you. I don't touch catfish.
The tail. Let me do the tail.
No, Jordan.
Can you try?